today. So we've pre-measured most of our ingredients. Simple. Oven is on, like a meerkat. 180 degrees for the oven. Collect the ingredients. The tray is ready to go. Now since it's grease, we just use baking paper and an oven tray because it's just less cleaning up after we finish cooking. So large bowl, probably not quite that large. We're going to mix our oats, our plain flour, our sugar and our coconut. So oats, plain flour, sugar and coconut. Now for those of you watching at home, I'm talking about you students in the classroom right now, make sure you follow the recipe with me because I make mistakes occasionally. I've got to get excited and I skip steps. Do that to the meat pie and I forgot to put the flour in. Alright, so mixing it all up. All that's happened, that's done. We're going to take a saucepan, put our golden syrup and our butter in, and we're going to heat that up and make it all soft and runny. It's a no-brainer, but don't leave trays of paper on next to the flames because they're going to catch fire. I've seen it happen before. And lastly, we've got bicarb soda we're going to get to in a minute as well. Do not put in too much bicarb soda. The recipe, I'm going to say this a few times, the recipe calls for a quarter teaspoon. The quarter teaspoon is the smallest spoon there is. I've seen a quarter cup used in the past. I've seen a tablespoon made in the past. And the worst thing I absolutely hate as a teacher is to spit out food that students give me, but I couldn't eat that food. It was so bad. So 2 tablespoons of golden syrup. Now, take this to your bench and do it over your bench because it's going to get extremely messy and sticky. Or bring a cold saucepan up the front. Do you know how Anzac biscuits originated?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
They
Hang on, thank you.
Isn't it when the Australians were in war, the wives made them biscuits to like send to them to eat?
Yeah, it's perfect. And do you know why they used these biscuits instead of using Arnott's, Monte Carlos or something like that?
Because they last longer.
They last longer. So if you cook them properly, you dry them out so they're not too chewy, and that makes sure that germs won't grow, because germs need moisture, don't they, to grow? If there's no moisture, they won't grow. Shouldn't grow. Oh, thank you. Yep. Alright, we're going to light this thing up. All we're doing is melting the butter and warming up the golden syrup. It's going to stay on. While that's happening, I'm going to get water. 2 teaspoons of boiling water and a quarter teaspoon of my bicarb soda. Seriously, if you put too much of this stuff in, you will know it, you'll taste it, it'll be bleh. So that goes in. 2 teaspoons of boiling water. Just Alrighty, so we just used hot tap water for bicarb soda. Just dissolve it, mix it up. They just started to actually caramelise and overcook, so I'm going to turn that off. And there's enough heat there now to help just to finish melting everything. Now, if you're using electric stoves, make sure you take it off the element or off the part that heats up, because the electric stoves take a long time to cool down. It'll keep cooking, and you'll burn it, and then it'll reduce in quantity. Your mixture will be too dry, it might even turn to caramel because the golden syrup will just go black real fast. Alrighty, now doing a science experiment. If this works properly, it's going to go sniffies up, but not too much. Adding the hot water with bicarb into the hot butter and syrup. The chemical reactions happening just creates air, makes it all, helps break down some of the foods in there, and lets the product just mix better and rise. So that all goes in together. Simple recipe today. Now, Anzac cookies, to make them traditionally, if you want to make them really dry, leave them in for a full amount of time. I like mine a little bit chewy, so I will actually not leave them in as long. Taking up the tray. Now this mixture looks a little bit wetter than normal, which means it's going to really flatten out a lot. Give them lots of space, they will spread out heaps. The wetter the mix, the more it's going to spread. On a tray, in the oven, 10 to 15 minutes, depending on which shelf you're using in the oven, and how hot the oven is as well, and also how the Anzac cookies are. Simple as. Right, thank you. These are cooked. There's colour on the outside. The inside's not quite as dark. They look really soft, and they are really soft, they'll harden up when they cool down. If you want to speed it up, actually, the trays are very, very hot because they've just come out. So you can really quickly and sneakily slide it off the tray onto the bench, and that'll cool them down so they cool down faster.